Hello, my name is Sean, and this is Cruise Through Life. Today, we're talking about Princess Cruises, a line that's known for its elegant atmosphere, excellent service, and immersive destination experiences. But is it the right cruise line for you? Stick around as I break down 10 pros and 10 cons of sailing with Princess Cruises. Let's dive in. First thing we have to talk about is the pros. So, they are a premium yet affordable cruising experience. Princess offers a balance between premium experiences and affordability. It's more upscale than your budget-friendly lines like Carnival, but it still offers competitive pricing compared to luxury lines. This makes it perfect for those of you who want to have a refined experience but not break the bank. Princess also has exceptional food and dining choices. Princess Cruises is known for its high-quality cuisine featuring everything from gourmet multi-course meals to casual bites. Their partnership with chefs like Curtis Stone brings elevated dining experiences, while their specialty restaurants such as Crown Grill and Sabatini's adds variety to your culinary adventure. They also have a relaxed and engaged atmosphere. Unlike party-focused cruise lines, Princess offers a laid-back, elegant atmosphere. If you enjoy a refined, tranquil vacation with an emphasis on relaxation, beautiful decor, and a touch of luxury, this cruise line is a fantastic choice. There's also immersive destination experiences. Princess is famous for its destination-focused itineraries, offering longer port stays and immersive shore excursions. Their More Ashore program extends port times, and the Local Connections program brings onboard cultural experiences and local port experts to enhance your trip. Princess also has fantastic technology on board. Princess Cruises' Medallion class technology takes convenience to the next level. This is a wearable device rather than a card that allows keyless cabin entry, contactless payments, food and drink delivery anywhere on the ship, and even faster boarding. It makes cruising seamless and stress-free, although you lose the lanyard, which I'm a fan of. They have great options for couples as well as solo travelers. Princess Cruises caters to romantic getaways and solo travelers. With adult-friendly venues, luxurious spa experiences, and sophisticated entertainment, it's a great choice for couples and those looking for a peaceful, independent voyage. Princess offers excellent customer service. Princess consistently ranks high in customer service with friendly and attentive crew members dedicated to making your trip memorable. The personalized experience and warm hospitality are major highlights of the experience. They also have great enrichment and educational programs on board. From Discovery at Sea programs to destination lectures, Princess Cruises offers a wide variety of educational opportunities. If you enjoy learning about your destinations before you arrive, you'll love their enrichment activities. Princess also has a wide range of itineraries. They offer voyages all over the world, from the Caribbean to Alaska to Asia, Europe, and even world cruises. Their diverse selection of destinations makes it easy to find an itinerary that suits your travel dreams. Have you ever wanted to watch a movie under the stars? Well, you can do that with Princess. One of their most unique features is their Movies Under the Stars outdoor theater. Picture yourself relaxing with a cozy blanket, popcorn, and a blockbuster movie on the pool deck. It's a magical experience. Now, of course, we've gone through the pros, so we have to talk about the cons too, because with the good comes the bad. So, number one, they're not the best choice for partygoers. If you're looking for a high-energy, party-filled cruise with a wild nightlife, Princess ain't it. While they do have lounges, bars, and live music, the vibe is more relaxed and refined, catering to a mature crowd rather than a younger, party-seeking demographic. Following along that same line of it not being a party-focused cruise, they have limited nightlife and entertainment. While Princess does offer excellent shows, they lack the high-energy entertainment of cruise lines like Royal Caribbean. There are no large-scale Broadway productions or thrilling water slides, making it less ideal for those who want action-packed evenings. Being that they are more of a mature demographic, they have fewer family-focused activities. While Princess does have kids clubs, it's not the most family-oriented cruise line. Compared to lines like Disney and Royal Caribbean, it lacks the over-the-top attractions like the water parks, bumper cars, and character meet and greets. Families with younger kids might want to find another option elsewhere. As with most cruise lines, not everything is included in the base fare, and with Princess, those extra costs can add up. While the base fare is reasonable, extras like drink packages, specialty dining, spa treatments, and shore excursions can add up quickly. Budget-conscious travelers should plan ahead to avoid sticker shock. Princess also has some older ships in its fleet, and while they are gradually modernizing their fleet, some of the older ships lack the bells and whistles of the newer vessels. If you prefer cutting-edge cruise features, be sure to check out one of their latest ships like Discovery Princess or Sky Princess. If you like lounging by the pool, you probably won't like this one. They have smaller pool areas compared to other cruise lines. Their pool areas are relatively small, especially on their older ships. On sea days, finding a lounge chair near the pool can be a challenge. Looking for late night bites? Well, that's a problem with Princess. While they do excel in dining quality, late night food choices are limited unless you opt for room service or pay extra for specialty options. The lack of 24-hour buffets and snack options may disappoint night owls. Wi-Fi, the bane of our existence these days. Even though MedallionNet is one of the best Wi-Fi services at sea, it comes at a premium price. If you need constant connectivity, be prepared for the additional cost. Princess still upholds the tradition of formal nights, requiring elegant attire in certain dining venues. If you prefer a more casual cruise experience, this might feel restrictive. Personally, not a fan of formal nights at all. Princess tends to attract an older demographic. While Princess is great for relaxation, its atmosphere appeals more to older travelers and retirees. Younger cruisers or those looking for high-energy vacations may prefer a more lively cruise line. So, is Princess Cruises right for you? If you love a refined, elegant, and destination-focused experience, absolutely. But if you prefer a non-stop action, family-centered trip, or party-heavy nightlife, you might want to consider looking elsewhere. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more cruise content, and let me know in the comments, have you sailed with Princess Cruises before? What was your experience like? I hope to see you on board sometime soon.